Hello everyone. This is the first part of a simple uh, like big upgrade I'm making to my computer. The first stage is I'm going to in this video I'm going to upgrade the RAM from 4 gigabytes to 8 gigabytes. I bought 2 gigabytes RAM sticks from Crucial. You get the delivery note and here it is. There's 2 of these in here. It's like can't remember how much it was, about £30 or something like that. So yeah, I've got my computer down here. I've got it open. So the RAM slots are just there. So I'll just get the RAM. Yeah. The box is a bit tricky. Wait a minute. Oh my god. There we go. Here's the stick of RAM. You gotta. Well, I'll just put this up there. You gotta make sure these unclip first. You insert the first stick of RAM. Yeah, there's like a little notch there, and it lines up to a sort of like a bump in the socket. You just push it in, and then the clips should click into place to show that it has successfully been installed in there. Let me just get the other stick of RAM. This plastic doesn't want to rip. Oh dear. There we go. I've got the other stick. You can see the empty slot. I'll put it in right. Nope. Simply just push it in. There we go. Make sure the clips are in place. Now I've got a Asus motherboard, as you can see. Yeah, your motherboard should have like a similar way of like the RAM slots, and then you just put it in the same way. Just undo the clips, push it in, make sure the clips are done up. Just make sure the RAM sticks are being secured correctly. So yeah, this is the first part of my upgrading my computer. I'm going to be putting like a new CPU in there, new graphics card. I might need to improve the power supply, because it's only 350 watt and it might not be enough. I have to see. Hard drive, that's running low, so maybe in the future I might upgrade that, but I'm not looking to at the moment. Oh, I forgot to mention, you have to touch like an unpainted part of the case before doing it, but yeah, in case you might pass on any like static to the components and it might fry it, apparently. But I've never had any problems. So yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.